Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to connect all these PCs to this server. First, you need to get a copper straight through cable and connect this to the switch. Do the same thing to the others. My god, it's lag. Sorry for the delay. And now I am gonna connect this modem to the switch using copper crossover. Wait, there. And I'm gonna connect this modem, DSL modem, to the cloud using this one. And now they're all connected. To make sure that they are connected, I'm gonna ping them, all of them, to see if they will respond or reply. So wait. First, we're gonna go to the server. Check. There you go. I already placed IP address. To check if they're all connected, command prompt, let's type ping and the server's IP address. Press enter, and there you go. This means they're already connected. Go to server, desktop, command prompt, and I will try to connect to the PC1. There. Press enter, and the PC1 replied. It means they were connected. And just do the same thing to the others and it's okay. Thank you.